The world has been brought to our doorstep through media like television, social media, and internet. Such forms of communication have knitted people living in different corners of the world without even meeting each other. In recognition of such a pivotal medium, UN declared 21st November as World Television Day. The resolution for the same was passed in the General Assembly in 1996, which became the first year of celebration. The TV is an important tool for social and cultural construction, which helps not only in educating and informing, but also entertaining various audiences. We depend on TV for entertainment, news, culture, weather, and sports. Knowledge and education have in fact greater avenues for expansion through television. The UGC and IGNOU programs on TV provide crores of viewers free education to enhance and update skills. It also saves time and labor. We need not rush to see our favorite cricket or tennis stars in action. Television brings the same before our vision with full realism of excitement and suspense. Of course, there is also a wrong side of this gift. It has some unfortunate effects on our health, particularly our eyesight, some economic and social life disturbances as well. Nevertheless, it constitutes a great step forward to achieve knowledge and can truly fulfill its potential as a force for democratic exchange and social development for not only our country but the entire world. So, if it weren't for Philo T. Farnsworth, inventor of TV, we'd still be eating frozen radio dinners.